This is the original mic that came with my Alenco DX SR9. Kilo Oscar 4 Sierra Whiskey Whiskey, Kilo Oscar 4 Sierra Whiskey Whiskey. It works pretty good. Well, I wanted a desktop microphone. I kind of liked goosenecks. So I took the time and I invested in this icom. This is an icom SM-50. Here are the connector pins for each microphone. The Alenco on the left, the icom on the right. They are both 7-pin connector. Should be no problem switching them up, you think? The icom should work in the Alenco. Wrong. Well, let's get to it. Almost every mobile and base station module that you purchase nowadays comes with a connector pin assignment diagram in the instruction manual. As you can see here, this is my DX2517. It's made by Galaxy. And it picks up 10, 11, and 12 meters. Notice the microphone assignment right here. This is a 4-pin. I shopped around and found an additional microphone, a better microphone than the one that came with it. It is made by a company called A-Static. And as I mentioned, it is a 4-pin. And it works just fine with the Galaxy 2517.
This plug pin assignment diagram is straight out of the owner's manual for my Galaxy 2517 base station radio. I made sure to download it and read it before I purchased the A-Static to make sure that it would fit. So what was it that swayed me when it came to purchasing the new icom microphone? Was this, the IC718 radio by icom. Looks similar, doesn't it? Kind of looks like my current Alenco. Not only that, this is the plug pin assignment for the icom. Oh, there's the plug pin assignments for my Alenco, my current radio. The icom has 7 pins in its connector. My Alenco has 7 pins in its connector. Everything is looking so similar. Not only that, the aesthetics, the placement of the phone jack in this icom photograph is not very dissimilar to the one in my own radio that I currently have. That is what swayed me.
What you see here are the plug pin assignments from the owner's manual of each different radio. The Alenco owner's manual assignment, connector assignments are here. The icon assignments, plug assignments are here. Notice the 2 similarities. The microphone connector here at the 11 o'clock position, and the microphone ground here at the 1 o'clock position. It's the same in the icon. 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock. That's about where the similarities end. The push to talk right here on the Alenco is in the 9 o'clock position. See? Well, in the icon, it's already down here at the 5 o'clock position. No, that's not going to work. Also notice here in the Alinco, the 6 and the 7 o'clock positions here are the frequency up and down connectors. Well, in the icom, there's one connector that does both. Right here at the 7 o'clock pin connector. Frequency up and down. The 6 o'clock position has no connection here on the icon. The DC voltage, 9 o'clock position, icon, 5 o'clock position, Alinco. Take the time before you decide to invest in a new microphone for your machine. Find out the pin assignments from your current radio and for the microphone that you intend to purchase for your current radio. Make sure they are the same. If they are not, you could possibly damage your machine. Thank you.